Are you satisfied with the performance of your investment portfolio? Or are you concerned with market volatility and investment loss? Equivest can introduce you to an asset class that routinely earns double-digit returns, is unrelated to the stock market, and has zero volatility. This asset class, used by Warren Buffett, Credit Suisse, Morgan Stanley, and other institutional investors, has helped to grow this industry to an estimated $30 billion a year. You are now able to realize the fixed returns these large banks and institutional investors have been reaping for decades. Regulated by the state of California and qualified for 401k, IRA, and SEP rollovers, in addition to after-tax funding, this established asset class could be the key to securing your retirement against market downturns and troubling geopolitical conditions. The investment funding and transactions are conducted by Christiana Trust, a subsidiary of WSFS Bank, which is a $4 billion institution. Would you like to learn more about an asset class that routinely earns 12 to 14% annualized and has been popular among institutional investors for decades? If so, contact us today. Our licensed advisors are here to help you make the best decision for your investments and retirement.